Hello guys, and welcome again to another video. I'm so excited and finally it's here after for so long of waiting. I ordered this cars last 2001. Yeah, these are most of these models are from 2001, so it's long overdue. All right, but it's never late than never, right? Okay, let's open it. Okay. Mm, Stop here. And, and shout out to my sister, person who ordered it, sent it to me. Right, shout out to you. Right. And this is fresh from Hong Kong. So let's take a look, guys. Right, of course, well packed. I'm not sure how many toy cars are there, but we have lots of mini GT. We have the Pajero. Okay. Um, GCD King Group. Right. So we will going to open this up. Right. Those are my um experiment toy cars. Okay. So we have the mini GT. So excited to get this. Um. Right. Liberty Walk. The Koenigsegg from Tarmac. Agiro. So this is the up close. This is my first time to get this kind of packaging. Um, Next we have, well, I don't know what's this, but let's take a peek. Lamborghini. Okay. Oh, Ford GT. Ford GT. And another Ford GT. So two Ford GT, guys. Okay. And we have this diorama from Tiny. All right, nice. And we have two. This is another Lambo GT Lambo. And Kaido house. And what are these? Hmm? Ah, Bugatti Supra and Kaido house. All right, the OG. And that's it for now, guys. And watch out, guys, for the unboxing, and we're going to have videos of each and every one of these toy models. Okay, so please watch out, guys, and please follow me so you will be updated when these videos will be uploaded. Right, So thank you for watching, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So see you again next time, and have a great day. Bye.